The boy thought he was carrying only a candle, but by the time he returned, he understood why most people fail in life. In a quiet town near the hills, there lived an old teacher named Rahim. He had no riches, no grand house, but people said, "If your heart is confused, sit with Rahim once, and you return different." One morning, a young boy named Adam came to him and said, "Teacher, why do I keep failing while others move ahead?" Rahim looked at him quietly, then picked up a small candle. He lit it, placed it in Adam's hand, and said, "Carry this across the wooden bridge, but do not let the flame die." Adam frowned. The bridge was old. The wind was strong. Below, the river moved fast. Still, he began walking, step by step, carefully. Halfway across, children laughed loudly. A dog barked near the bridge. The wind hit harder, but Adam covered the flame with both hands and kept moving. Finally, he reached the other side. The candle was still burning. He smiled proudly and returned. Rahim asked softly, "Did you notice the flowers beside the river?" Adam said, "No." "Did you hear the birds?" "No." "Did you see the people watching you?" Adam shook his head. "No, teacher, I only watched the flame." Rahim smiled. That is why some people succeed. They protect their focus while others chase distractions. Life will always have noise. People will laugh. Problems will call you. But if your eyes remain on your flame, you will cross every bridge. From that day, Adam stopped looking around. He simply guarded his own light. And slowly, his life changed. Because success often begins when distraction loses its power.